It's horrible. It's horrible. We are content creators. Most popular color, United States at Ford offers. #1 color.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on this beautiful 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Extreme Off-Road. And this thing is a beautiful truck. In the last video, we jumped up on it. We did our best to match this beautiful color. The Alabama sun faded it out a little bit. JP, he jumped on the mixing machine. He mixed up about 10 colors, 3 different pearls. I think he done a phenomenal job getting that color matched. The best we could do without absolutely probably painting the truck all over. And we really didn't even blend the doors. So it looks really good. It looks really good right now. We hadn't really gave it its good cleanup yet to kind of see how it looks out in the sun, but we are planning on really shining this thing up, maybe buffing it all over, getting everything matching really good, shining it up. That's what we want to do. But in today's video, I think what we need to focus on is getting this front end put back together. I think that's the most important thing. We can get the front end put back together. We can get everything going, get it looking like a truck again. Then we'll start getting it all cleaned up, getting everything fixed under here. We did get the new grill in. I cannot wait to show it to you. It's absolutely amazing. So let's get started. Let's get it done.
Hello guys, this is JP at Orange Wires. I had to take a little break from the Tacoma because if you have friends and friends know you can paint, they say, hey, will you paint my workbox for me? And that's what we get into. Instead of getting to work on stuff we can actually enjoy, you're stuck working on this stuff. So it's a miserable day, but we're going to spend about 2 hours. We're going to knock it out. Get it done for my buddy. That way we're still friends at the end of the day. Maybe he'll throw me a bone later.
Yeah, it ain't that bad though, right?
It's a work box.
It's a square bed, right?
It's a square bed going on a brand new 19 Ford F-350.
Oh, crap.
He bought it from Copart. Needed a rear end. Put a rear end under it. We're going to get the bed painted. He's going to put the bed on.
What color are we painting this thing?
Z1. Most popular color, United States at Ford offers. #1 color. White.
Z1? All right. Well, let's hop to it.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right.
Go.
Alrighty, man, have you checked this craziest night out, man? It's a crazy night. It must be a full moon. JP and me and CC, we've been working on the truck bed. So, you know, we weren't planning on working on that. We planned on working on this, but we wound up working on that. But this thing is turning out amazing. Check out JP's pinstriping skills there. He said he wanted to put a kitty in it. I don't know what a kitty is in a pinstripe, but I said don't put a kitty in it because it just needs to be this. Because I don't know what a kitty is. Maybe one of y'all know what a kitty is in a pinstripe. Put it in the comments. I don't know. But you know, this truck is really coming together. Did you check out our beautiful TRD Pro Grille? Check out the LEDs that came. I went ahead and we got all that ordered. We ordered all that and put it all in when we're putting this thing back together, save from doing it on the end. You know, it's looking really great. The color matched absolutely amazing. So you know what? We still got a ton of work to do. Still got to paint that big utility bed. Still got to try to get the front end put on this truck. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Man, check this out. Check this out, CC. Check this dang truck out.
I know it. They pop the bumper on, pop the grill in. Look at it. Don't have the lights wired up yet, but they're gonna get wired up.
Check out the gaps, man. This thing, we used this little truck with a little bit of love. All the hidden damage, it went right away, didn't it?
It did, yeah. Looks like a brand new 2013?
This is the 12.
2012. Looks like a brand new 2012 Toyota Tacoma Extreme Off-Road Edition.
Man, this thing is awesome. We worked really hard on it this evening to get it looking the way that it's looking. But I have left JP out in the paint booth. Is he still back there?
I think he is.
Yeah, see, JP, he's in a paint booth. I think CC, he was supposed to help him paint, but then I was supposed to help him paint, and then I started working on this. So we better go check on JP and see what he's doing.
Say hey, JP here again from Orange Wires. Got this bed all done. It turned out nice. Like I said in the previous video, it's a nugget. It's a work bed. Could have got me a roller and a brush with some Rust-Oleum and probably done just as good.
It looks good.
But it looks good. He'll be happy with it. He'll have it scratched all to pieces, shovels thrown all over it. And I mean, it won't even look like I painted it in a week. So it turned out good.
Guys, man, we did split our time between the truck bed and the truck. We was talking about maybe putting that utility bed over on this Tacoma, but then we said no, heck no, we're not doing that. We're putting it on JP's buddy's truck. But we did work like crazy on this truck. We got everything on the front lined up perfect. It's absolutely perfect. We got to just wire up our new lights, put a few bolts back in it, start putting the fender flares back in. We're going to black out underneath, got some exciting things ordered for the wheels to make this thing really pop. We're going to do that in the next video. We're going to bring the green machine. I may have said we were going to do it in this video, but it didn't work out. But we're going to bring the green machine. We're going to get it all cleaned up. We're going to get it all shined up, get it 100% put back together, shine it up, and see what it looks like. So if you like our videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.